Greetings flat earthers and non-believers. Today I will end this moronic round earth theory once and for all, making all round earthers look like mugs. Though this experiment is simple, I've not seen it done before. I don't know why. Here we go. If the earth is round, how come this football doesn't roll away when placed on the floor? Does nobody find this odd? If there was a round earth the ball would simply roll away, but it does not. Why does this perfectly spherical ball not roll away? I'll tell you. For the ball to not roll away, the surface it's placed on needs to be flat. Any slight gradient to the hill and it rolls. But when the ball is placed on the ground it stays put. Because the earth is flat. It's really that simple. But round earthers still argue with this basic logic. Their few brain cells being misled by fake photos. The most common argument I come across is, if the earth is flat, where the fuck is Australia? How naive can somebody get? Next thing you know, people will still believe in Santa, or Boris Johnson. It worries me a lot. It worries me that people are yet to realize that Australia is a myth. When people are growing up they are told that Australia is on the other side of the earth. But as I have already proved, the earth is flat. Therefore Australia is just a myth. But why? I'll tell you. It is because the leaders of the world made it up to scare people, making up stories about giant spiders and opera houses so nobody would want to visit there. But in reality it was so the government could experiment on people, pretending to deport convicts to Australia in the 1900s. But instead the government handed these convicts to the lizard people as a peace offering. There is no telling how many of these lizard people are leading our governments. But my main point is that you only believe in Australia because Barack Obama wants you to. Hang on a second. How much do we really know about Obama? Obama has 5 letters. Lizard has 5 letters if we take off the D. Is Obama a lizard? Potentially. Take the D off of lizard and you get lizard. First return on Google is a solicitor established in 1978. Do you know what major event happened on this year? That's right. James Franco was born. James has 5 letters. Franco has 5 letters. 5 plus 5 is 10. What age was James in 1978? That's right. He was 1 if we were living in China. 10 take away 1 is 9. But what else has 9 letters? Australia. It's time to face the facts. Australia isn't real. Think about it. Have you ever met a real Australian? Didn't think so. There is 3 Australians that we know about. Crocodile Dundee, Wolverine, and the Foster's lads. Oh, that's 4. Oh well. Crocodile Dundee's name was created by taking a fictional creature and a place in Scotland. How blind is the planet? This name can only be explained by the poor imagination of the government, and is therefore not real. Wolverine. Wolverine has 6 claws. The fictional animal called a koala has 18 claws. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Oh. That's weird how there is only 3 Australians. What a coincidence. And as somebody with more than 2 brain cells I don't believe in coincidences. Therefore I don't believe in Wolverine. But what about the Foster's lads? Were they real? I believe so, but only because the government wants them to. I think that they were British cheeky Nandus lads. But 5 years ago the Foster's lads were brainwashed into thinking they were Australian. This is a common technique used by the government to spread the Australian accent. Therefore they are not Australian. Also Foster's isn't Australian as it is brewed in Manchester. It's just Australian propaganda. But if we take a closer look at the can we can see certain shapes. What's the significance of this? That's right. It's a triangle. And what else is a triangle? Bermuda. At this point you're probably telling me I've gone completely off topic. But patience is key to working out the truth. With the flat earth model, what is the center of the world? The Bermuda Triangle. See how this works. How can the earth be round if Barack Obama is a lizard and the Foster's lads are actually cheeky Nandus lads? There is only one possible explanation for this. Flat earth confirmed.